Part 2. So here go Abby. Yeah. We're in church, Vocation Bible School. They're arguing and all that.
What?
Yeah, can't see.
They don't gonna take your flash to the eye. You need to rap.
Yeah. Okay. Show them out. Which one is it?
After you start the rap.
Oh. And yeah.
God is the strongest force.
When we gonna start rapping? I don't know.
Remember, God is the strong force. We have to get that in your heart and mind that God will not allow me to be put to shame.
Video.
That's what we have to do. So you know, Trinice, go ahead and say what you want to say.
I was listening to Joe Fine. Whenever you doing something, the thing is, it got to be from you.
Yeah, we in church.
You got to teach it yourself. Like me, with my children, I teach them. When they come to church, and other people teaching them. It's what, if you got the spirit of the child running wild, how can you teach other people? If you got money issues going on, why can't I teach you? And I told them, she said, you can't be no teacher if you got all these issues going on with yourself.
She ain't lying. I'm trying to tell you, she ain't lying.
And just like you keep the if I'm the negative one, I'm saying that here saying we can't do what we call all the people in the church ain't on one call and together in the church.
This church. Let's talk about this church. This church. I don't like
But that's what I want you to get in your heart and in your mind. If you plant a seed, it's going to grow.
people like that.
Because my job
People don't call other people out about what they do. And they do the same thing.
Josh, going my cousin-in-law. Better treat her right. I'm gonna come out for you, boy.
Different people just say different things. You have more together than you think. But don't allow your environment to change you. Don't. And nobody, don't be influenced, not just you, anybody. Don't be influenced by what you see around you.
He be trying to rap himself. I can rap too.
Because a lot of things are going on around you. A lot of things. But you know, greater is he that's in me than he that's in the world. So you have to start standing on the word of God. You have to start. So I want you to take everything in, be ready for some activities, be comfortable, because we have strong faith. You want to faith, 001 to faith, 021, Friday faith, 100. Okay? So be ready. Everybody be ready. Because we walk by faith and...
What are you looking for?
I thought I was slightly more.
Okay, who's the strong force in our life? Who?
God.
Who's in charge?
God.
Who's the ruler over everything? Who's in control?
God.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody